pull it out. So there's a secret pouch.
Oh.
Hello!
Oh.
And he's been washed as well.
Oh, he looks nice and clean.
And these are presents for you.
Big one. Look.
If you need a key ring, and if you need some socks, the things that I took out of Pa's office, because I can't do it now, I think you're better to keep them.
Oh cute, they're beautiful.
They are beautiful.
Yeah. The Bruce socks.
Bruce socks, which you probably gave him anyway. I was trying to figure out who gave them to him.
Sounds like mean of me.
He never wore them, you know, he kept them on his shelf for like years and years. And you're matching Elmo now. Oh. Look, there's a Katie size one and a Sappy size one. This is how we talk. And eyeballs are good for sucking on. Does she walk now?
No.
I don't think you've grown since I saw you.
Yeah, she's probably only grown a little bit. Probably about
You should stay
half
that
a
size.
kilo.
Stay little.